Are you self-employed? You could be playing a dangerous game. If you are, the next question is, do you have a retirement plan? If you, like most self-employed people, you probably don't have access to a retirement plan. In this article, it mentions that 41% of all people working for a small business do not have access to a 401k or a company sponsored plan. And for those people who are self employed, the number is even higher. When you are self employed, you are the lifeblood of your business and more likely the lifeblood of your household. And so we know eventually you will most likely not be working in your current business. And as a result, the question becomes, what would you do for income once you are no longer working? That's the reason why this is so dangerous. If we look at the cost of living over the last 3 years, the cost of living has increased over 20% since 2021. And of course, the cost of living is only going to keep rising and getting higher. If you're not working in your current business, the question becomes, how will you continue to generate income in order to keep living in your retirement years? For most self-employed people, the plan is to rely on Social Security. And we know Social Security was never designed to be your full retirement plan. It was only designed to cover roughly about 40% of your retirement needs. As we know, Social Security's trust fund could run out of money as soon as 2033. Social Security may have to cut their monthly benefit checks as much as 20%. And the average Social Security check right now is roughly about $1,990. So the question becomes, can you live on less than $2,000 a year? So that's why not having a retirement plan is such a dangerous game. So the question becomes, what should you do? Well, you should not delay another day. If you do not have a retirement plan that you're contributing to on a consistent basis every week or every month, you have to put a plan in place today. It is just that important. You might be thinking, okay, Alex, I want to get started. I want to get started today, but I don't know how and where I should be putting my money. Great question. Because you are self-employed, you are the lifeblood of your business. It's important that you do two things. Number one, protect yourself, your business, and your family in case you cannot continue to work in your business if you happen to become sick or hurt. So you want to make sure that you have a plan in place for that. Usually having emergency funds set aside 6 to 9 months is a great way to do that. But the next great way to do it is to get life insurance. Life insurance can be a great way for you to be able to protect yourself if you happen to become sick, injured, or ill and can't work in your business. Secondly, it also provides some protection for your family if you happen to pass away. Your family will receive benefits that would allow them to pay off the mortgage or just continue to pay bills on into the future. You can put money into a SEP IRA, that's SEP IRA, or you can put money into just a regular IRA. You could also put money into a Roth IRA. I actually like the life insurance approach because, again, it gives you protection if you happen to become sick, ill, or injured, or if you happen to pass away. The other thing life insurance can do for you as well, it can allow you to build up tax-free wealth for yourself. And you're able to get stock market returns without the risk of losing money. And then finally, you're able to take that cash value and use it for supplemental retirement income. The best thing about it, again, is tax-free. So life insurance does a lot of heavy lifting for you, particularly the Index Universal Life Insurance does a lot for you as a self-employed business owner, allowing you to grow your money tax-free and allows you to avoid all the ups and downs of the stock market and all the economic volatility. So if you don't have a retirement plan right now, and if you do not have disability insurance or life insurance, this may be just the right approach for you. Look in the description below. If you like to learn more, there's a link in the description you can set up a free consultation, and I would love to share with you your options. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.